Hi everyone! Last time I talked about homophones, words that sound the same but are spelled differently and have different meanings. Well, today I'm going to talk about heteronyms. These are words that are spelled the same but sound different and mean different things. Heteronyms are tricky. You might be wondering how to know which word is which if you're reading them and they're spelled the same. This is something native English speakers have trouble with too. The only way to tell is by context, meaning the sentence around the word. Which meaning makes sense based on the rest of the sentence? This is why I'm going to give you 13 common examples and their meanings so you can try it for yourself. Close and close. Close is something near. I live close to the mall. Close is a verb meaning to shut something. Can you close the window? I'm cold. Present and present. To present is to give something like an award. I now present the Oscar for Best Actor. Present is a gift or the moment right now. I hope she gives me a present for my birthday. Wind and wind. Wind is a twisting movement. Don't forget to wind your clocks back an hour. Wind is the movement of air we feel. The wind is strong. I should wear a coat. Lead and lead. Lead is a verb or noun meaning to be first or to have others follow. She was in the lead the whole race. Lead is a metal that is toxic to humans. Be careful, old paint can have a lot of lead. Bass and bass. A bass is a large fish. I caught a bass while fishing last weekend. Bass is a low pitch. I play the bass guitar in my band. Bow and bow. A bow is string or ribbon tied in a fancy way. Every gift should have a large bow. A bow is the front of a ship or when someone bends in half in greeting or in applause. At the end of the play, all the actors came out to bow. Object and object. An object is a thing. Don't put a heavy object on this shelf. It's not very strong. To object is to oppose something. I object to the new mall they are trying to build. Console and console. To console is to comfort someone in distress. I tried to console her after she lost the race. A console is an electronic system attached to a screen. I bought the latest video game console. Resume and resume. To resume is to continue something that was stopped. The timeout is over, time for the game to resume. A resume is a document listing one's prior job experience and education. I sent in my resume. I hope they hire me for the job. House and house. A house is a building where people live. I bought my house 5 years ago. To house is to provide someone with somewhere to live. I will house my brother while he looks for an apartment. Tear and tear. To tear is to rip. Let me tear up these documents because they aren't needed. Tear is the water that comes from your eyes. The movie made me tear up. It was so sad. Desert and dessert. Desert is a hot, arid climate. When you live in the desert, the days are hot and the nights are cold. To desert is a verb meaning to abandon. I didn't desert you, I just went to the bathroom. Wound and wound. A wound is an injury, usually of the skin. I need a bandage. I have a wound on my hand. Wound is the past tense of the verb wind. She wound the ribbon around the gift. This concludes the 13 common heteronyms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my other grammar and vocabulary videos on my channel. See you next time. Bye.